Alright, I want to show you how to use a Noco GB40 jump starter. This would work for most Noco products. This is not sponsored, but every now and then I'm so impressed by a product that I feel like sharing my experience. Over many years I've bought several of these. I've got one in my vehicle, my wife has one in her vehicle. 3 of our 5 children have purchased vehicles. They've each gotten one as a gift to keep with them in their vehicle at all times. They have saved us many times. You never know when your battery is going to go out, and you're going to need to jump start your vehicle possibly many times before you get your new battery, at least once. So this is a case. I'll put links to the GB40 and the case in the video description. So this is a case. It's very compact, so you just keep this in your vehicle with you, and it keeps everything neat. So this is the main unit. This is a charge cord for it, and then up here in this pocket you have the cables, and also one of these power adapters if you need it. So you could charge it in your vehicle if you had to. It's also important to note, even though it's not the main purpose, you can actually use this to charge a cell phone or something because there's an output. So basically all you do is you look at this. The proper side you're looking for has the indentation with an arrow. The other side is flat and not indented and no arrow. So you look for the side with the arrow, and that is going to face up, so you can plug it in there. That's all you have to do to get this unit ready to go, is plug that in. Okay, now we're going to go out to our vehicle. Okay, so you're in a situation where you try to start your car and it won't start. So you get this and you plug the cable in like we just showed you. You come out to your battery. You got a plus side and minus sign, positive and negative. So we're going to reveal the positive and the negative there. And while this is off, our GB40 unit is off, we're just going to connect the black end to the negative post, and we would connect the red end to the positive post. And then we would hit, so there's 3 buttons on here. This one with a light bulb is simply a light. There's a light on this side of the unit that you can hit if you need a light, like if it's dark, so that's helpful if this is dark. And then also this is the on button. This is the power button, so we'd hit that. It's going to start ramping up, and now this battery is okay. We're just doing this for demonstration purposes, but you would do that, and then you would let it do that for several seconds. Then you just get in the vehicle. You'd have this where it's stable, where it's not going to fall in the engine when you start your car. You'd go in and you'd start your car, and you'd come out and you would turn it off, and then you'd disconnect those two and you'd be done. And then you would not shut your car off. You would drive it to either home or to an auto parts store to get yourself a new battery. If this doesn't seem like enough power, you can hit this red exclamation point and it'll give it another boost, or it gives it even more power if you're having difficulty starting. So if it doesn't start, you can always hit that and then try to start it again. So we would come out here, car starts, we would hit that power button off. Then we would disconnect these 2 cables. We have no power to the unit, and then we're done. So it's that easy to use. We've used these many times, and also been able to help other people with them. So it's a great product to have. I highly recommend it. And so I'll put links to this GB40 in the video description, and also to the case that we use to carry it in. I hope that's been helpful. Thank you for watching.